Okay, so for those of you dealing with pain and fatigue issues, doing a traditional mountain climber exercise can be really straining, not only on your wrists, but on your body as a whole, because you're holding your weight up so much without any support. So traditional mountain climber, it's really effective at pulling up and in your lower abdominals. So it's a great exercise, but it's easy to lose form, especially if you're going fast. All right, so I'm gonna show you 3 different modifications you can do for a mountain climber anytime you see it in a workout. So the first modification you can do is you can come into all fours, turning your hands out, and you're gonna do one leg at a time. So you're gonna pull your knee into your chest, making your back into a C curve, and then kick out, C curve, kick out. So the key is that little arch in your back, so that way you can really bring your knee into your chest. And then you're gonna switch sides. As soon as you start to feel the burn on one side, you're gonna switch to the other. If you have knee problems there, just roll your mat up 2 or 3 times to support your knees. Okay, so the next thing you can do is you can come onto your back. And this one's tough, but it works like crazy. It's little but mighty. So to support your low back and keep it on the floor, you want to stick your hands under your booty, just at the bottom of your booty here. And you're gonna bring your legs straight up or bent, whatever's easier for you. And you're just going to do little lifts off the floor. So it's little but mighty. Again, working those low abs. If you really want to challenge yourself, you can bring your head up into a stationary crunch. That actually helps to keep your low back on the floor. But for some people, that's painful on the spine, so you can either double or triple your mat so it has more cushion, or you can put a towel underneath your back to do that one, or you can do the last modification. And this one's the easiest modification for mountain climbers because it doesn't put any strain on your body. So you're gonna stand up, and you're gonna bring your arms up overhead, and you're just gonna do knee pulls towards the chest, arm pulls towards the knee, make your back into a C curve, and then switch. Now this isn't cardio. This is a toning exercise. So you wanna go really, really slow when you're doing this one. I'm gonna show you from the side. Really exaggerate the C curve in your back. And as you bring the knee up, hold for about a second. Hold. And really, really isolate the lower abdominals. All of those modifications are incredible for your body. So do those anytime you want, but especially when you can't do mountain climbing.